Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you didn't know me, now you know. Check it out, guys. So I had bought this tip off of Amazon. It was basically to cut fine tip. I needed a fine cutting tip. So this was the fine cutting tip that I found for my hypotherm plasma, but when I got it, I realized it's the wrong tip. I actually needed to buy this tip. See, the setup I had that worked for this tip right here was this. And for this tip to work, I had to have that. And basically this right here did not work for that. So I had to basically cut an old one up and do this. And I want to show you guys how I did that. And that worked perfect. So I'm going to show you guys. Here it is after I put it on, used the heck out of it the other day, beat it all up. It was great. It worked great. I love it. But what I discovered as I was, this is how I come upon this discovery, is I was like on top of my plasma cutter, I'm like, oh dang, it shows me the tips I got. So I realized, oh well, the setup there is the setup I got, and the setup I need is the setup right here. And it's compatible all the way back from this point back. So basically I just need the tip. So I took an old tip and I cut it down. I was like, I can make this happen. I can make this work. Put it in my vise, filed it down, because I was like, man, this is going to work. I had to actually cut it twice. I cut it once and then I had to cut it again because the tip didn't stick out far enough. So I cut it again so it would stick out far enough. See, bam. I could even probably go a little bit more, but I wanted a little bit of a lip on it, so that way it had just a little bit of a lip. Now, as you can see, as I'm getting it messed up, this is how the tip will stick out. It won't stick out that much because it has to go under another piece of the unit inside the torch, but I got it hooked up to show you guys, and bam! I couldn't believe it worked. I'm really happy it worked. And if you're trying to make your fine tip cut work, and you got an old housing like that, you can chop it down and basically make it work. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. Check it out. Yeah, and it cuts great. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I drop a video. I'll rap to you later. I'm out. Peace.